Good morning. We have made it to Hot Springs. It's about 3-ish miles. Yeah. Oh, Carolina Mountain Club. That's pretty cool. The Golden Anniversary Celebration. Appalachian Trail. Nice. Yeah. So going in for Nero. Everyone else, I think, is going to take a 0, and then I'll be back on trail tomorrow. But we are looking forward to breakfast. Yes. Let's get breakfast. I made it to the diner and there's this nero. It looks pretty sweet. It's cool. And there's the goal right there, Katahdin. Love it. So great.
All right, bacon skillet, scrambled easy. To the french fries here. Wow. I'm sorry, this is very hot.
All right, so quick one here. That just came blowing through. So that is where I'm staying, back there. And right across the street from it is the Outfitter, which has a ton of stuff. It's called the Bluff Mountain Outfitter. So I'm gonna go resupply there in a little bit, but I need to get down to the post office to send some things home. So yeah, town days. Mostly chores, but you know, experiencing a small town like this is pretty awesome. The river runs right underneath it, and it's super windy today. So yeah, I'm gonna get on the tour. All right, so in Hot Springs, you have some options for like grocery pickups, I guess. Resupply. The Dollar General, which was kind of picked over today, and then I went over to the Hillbilly Market, and they actually had a pretty good selection of stuff from our like hikers and you know the normal diet I guess a hiker would have. So yeah, I recommend checking out that place when you get in if you ever come down here. And I'm gonna walk back and see if I can go check into my room now. I've done most of my food supply. I'm gonna get some dehydrated meals from the Outfitter over here, just a couple. And then, yeah, that's a cute town. Really nice. It's very quiet. And you see hikers everywhere. It's, you know, the Appalachian Trail goes right through the middle of it, so it makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna make my way back and see if I can get everything ready to go for me to get back on trail tomorrow. I am packed up, ready to go, get back on trail. I had a good breakfast at the diner here in Hot Springs. Fantastic place, really good pricing, food with lots of portions, so I'd highly recommend that. And then the Creekwater Inn is where I stayed. I got one of the rooms that had, you know, the shower and bathroom and everything inside of it with Wi-Fi. It's probably like just over $100, and it houses at least 2 because it's a queen size bed. But yeah, Creekwater Inn, online booking available. Here's a little bit of the updated information. So there's no spots at Laughing Heart, which is kind of my case, and you're looking for a place to stay, highly recommend it. David is the man. He definitely took care of me while I was here. So let's get